Every year on November 11th, people across the world pause to commemorate Remembrance Day. But why is this day so important? Remembrance Day, originally called Armistice Day, marks the anniversary of the end of World War I in 1918, a moment when peace returned after years of unimaginable sacrifice. Millions of soldiers and civilians lost their lives or were forever changed by the conflict. Today, we honour not only those who served in World War I, but also the countless men and women who have served and continue to serve in wars and peacekeeping missions around the world. The red poppy, a symbol of remembrance, reminds us of the lives lost and the sacrifices made by these brave individuals. On Remembrance Day, we pause to reflect on the courage and dedication of these people, whose service has safeguarded our freedoms and shaped the world we live in today. We take this time to express our gratitude and to remember the cost of war, so that we may work toward a future of peace.